Whether you're looking for ways to make extra money alongside your 9 to 5 or build streams of passive income that work for you while you sleep, I've got you covered. Let's dive in. Hey ladies, welcome back to the Female Millionaire Mentor channel, where we talk all things money, mindset, and freedom. If you're new here, I'm Niche, and I'm on a mission to help women achieve financial independence through digital products, automation, and the right money moves. So today, we're deep diving into something I get asked about all the time: side hustles and passive income ideas that can transform your financial life. To make it easy for you, for each one of these side hustles that I mentioned today, I'll make sure that I put a link in the description bar so that you can quickly access it and get started today. First, let's talk about why side hustles and passive income are essential. Most people rely on one source of income, usually a job. But what happens if that job disappears? Creating multiple income streams gives you financial security and freedom. Also, having multiple streams of income helps you reach your financial goals faster, whether it's paying off debt, saving for a house, or planning an epic vacation. Plus, some side hustles can turn into full-time income streams, setting you up for long-term success and allowing you to leave your 9 to 5 for good. Let's start with one of my favorite passive income streams: digital products. Digital marketing is a billion-dollar industry and has the potential to be a very profitable career choice for women. With the right combination of skills, experience, and dedication, some digital marketers have become very successful and wealthy. And you can do it too. It's easier than ever with platforms like Etsy, Store, and Canva. You can create ebooks, printables, templates, or even online courses. What's great about digital products is that you create them once and sell them over and over again with little effort after they're live. Let's say you make a simple budget planner or social media templates. Both are super popular, and with the right marketing, you can make consistent income passively. Next up, we have affiliate marketing, another amazing passive income stream. If you already love sharing products you use, then why not get paid for it? Affiliate marketing allows you to earn commissions by promoting other people's products. Whether you run a blog, a YouTube channel, or are active on social media, you can recommend products and services and earn a percentage when someone buys through your link. Pick products you genuinely love and use. Your audience will trust your recommendations and the commissions will start rolling in. Now let's talk about YouTube, because girl, it's not just for vlogging. Starting your own YouTube channel can become a serious income stream. Once you grow your channel and get 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you can apply for YouTube's partner program and start earning from ads. And don't forget about sponsored content. Companies are willing to pay big bucks for creators with loyal followings. And here's the kicker: once your videos are up, they can keep making you money for years. This is where passive income comes in. Another side hustle that's gaining popularity is a print-on-demand business. This is a low-cost, low-risk business model that lets you create custom designs for t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and more. You don't need to handle any inventory. You just design, upload, and the platform takes care of the printing and shipping. Every time someone buys your design, you get paid. Here's a pro tip. Target a niche market like mompreneurs or women in business and create ideas and designs that resonate with them. If you love writing or sharing your thoughts, blogging is an excellent way to earn passive income. With a blog, you can make money through ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsored posts. Pick a niche you're passionate about, whether it's personal finance, fashion, or motherhood, and start creating valuable content. The key is consistency. Over time, as your traffic grows, you can monetize in multiple ways. Here's a side hustle for my creatives out there: selling stock photos. If you love photography, you can make money by uploading your images to stock photography sites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock. Once your photos are up, you'll get paid every time someone downloads them. It's passive income that keeps flowing as long as people are using your images. Now let's talk about one of the ultimate passive income streams: investing. Whether it's through stocks, real estate, or even crowdfunding platforms, investing allows your money to work for you. So there you have it. Several side hustles and passive income ideas to get you started on your journey to financial freedom. Remember, the key is to take action. Even if you start with just one of these ideas, you can build momentum and eventually create multiple streams of income. Be sure to subscribe to the Female Millionaire Mentor channel for more tips on building wealth and living the life of your dreams. And let me know in the comments what side hustle or passive income stream you are excited to try. Until next time, stay motivated and keep hustling.